with Mr. Buddy here. We are going to a park in downtown Riley Park. So far so good, beautiful, really nicely checked in, good. Free. Yeah, I like that the mindset he gets into now. From the get-go, it's really nice. I want to work on a little bit of free call. Buddy. I want to use the e-collar as well, so I'm going to do that later on. That's going to be good. It's on level 22. So let's just see how he feels about it. Buddy, sit. Heel. Just a tap on the e-collar. Really nice. Good amount of stimulation, exactly what I need for this guy right now. Buddy, heel. Heel. Anytime I'm gonna say heel, I'm gonna give him a tap. Good man. Heel. Good. Look at that. Good. The main purpose of this is recall a little bit, but impulse control. Heel. 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 There we go. Good. Heel. So this is where most dogs struggle. It's like just walking on the grass. Head goes down, but no, head should stay up. Hey. Heel. Good. Good man. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Free. And now he gets the freedom. Now you go. But you see, one on the like with him, the funny thing is with the e-collar, like when he's excited and aroused, it's always different. So not all the dogs are going to be the same basically. Buddy, go free. Free. You have to poop. You have to poop. That's good. Like they are playing cricket. It's good to see how over here. And there are geese and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna work him. You do potty? Potty. Oh, you just look at that leg. Good. Buddy, come on this one. So again, anytime we use pressure in training, it's not to suppress the dog, but you see how the leg started coming up. For first couple weeks, they're like squatting, but not anymore. Because again, this system also makes the dog a little bit cocky and confident as well. Hey, come on. Which it should. Did you potty or what? Now we are sniffing. This is a really nice park. I'm gonna do some recall now. He has to poop right in middle of the field. Okay. Let's see. Potty. Okay. I'll resume shortly. The poop is pegged. And now I'm gonna do some good amount of impulse control work today. So let's see. We'll start here and then we'll go over there and then do the same thing. Buddy, place. Place. Good. Down. Good. Down. Down. Good man. So you can see, no help, no e-collar or anything needed. Nice man. Down. Good. Good boy. Good. Free. At places like this, I don't do much sit and down stays. I want to work on the place and I want to work on the heel and the recall. Those are the main things. Come on, let's go. Good man. Good. I'm gonna put him on place by the geese over there. Good. Good man. And now he sees the geese. I'm gonna recall him without the steam on first. Buddy, come. Yes. Good, man. Good. Let's go. This is gonna be fun. There are squirrels up on the tree as well. Believe it or not, this is challenging for this dog. But again, he's ready for it. Buddy, place. Good. Down. Good. Good, man. Down. And I'm not using the e-collar because I'm holding my phone and the leash and I want to make sure. Yeah. Good, man. Good. Good job, buddy. Free. Good. Buddy, sit. Come here. Sit. 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 Buddy, sit. Sit. Hey. No. Come on. Sit. Good. Sit means sit, not down. I had the stem and I helped him with the leash pressure, but there you go. Good. Free. Buddy, down. Good, man. Stem, just the stem. Good. Down. Free. And again, like you have to see with the reward, what does the dog find reinforcing? Is it food? Is it affection? Is it the freedom? With this dog right now, all he wants is sniff around, do stuff like this. I'll let him do that. Now I'll bring him around the kids and I'm going to put him on a place and I'll just hang out with him. Basically, that's going to be the idea. Go, Papa, free. Good. I'm going to work on one sit. Buddy, sit. Yes. Good. Free. Go. You don't have to be beside me. Go. So you can see how he understands the word free, but sometimes it's like, he has a burst of energy, and after that, he's pretty much done. That's the funny thing about this guy. And then he acts like a jerk. Go free. Just that part. Come on. Go free. There you go. To help him a little bit, but then there you go. And he's also anticipating the recall with certain things. That's why I don't call him, especially when he anticipates. In certain situation, I will. Good, man. Yes. That was beautiful, the way he controlled himself. I don't know if you guys saw it, but the bird was right beside and he almost like basically lunged, but he stopped himself right away. That was beautiful. I didn't even tell him to do that. That was nice. Now we'll go by the park and hang out with him. I took Boo to off-leash park for his recall, and with Mr. Buddy here, he needs some more impulse control work, so we'll work on that. Let me see if I can find a bench a little bit more closer. I think this should be good enough. Buddy, come on this way. Place. Come on, place. Good. Okay, just trying to lock the leash. Beautiful. Okay, let's just watch the kids playing. That's a good man. Sorry. Good. There you go. Beautiful. Such a good man. Such a good man. Good man. So with a dog like this, I can take him places, do fun stuff. I want to show you this, wait. Sorry. As you can see, how nice and calm. Buddy. Good man. Right? You can see. He knows when to bring the arousal up and not to. Sometimes he struggles, but overall he understands the idea of it, so that's nice. We'll just hang out here. And when I walk him again, you guys will see.